Wait, let's try to get that refocused. Yay, we got the refocus. Hey YouTube fam. I haven't made content in a while, so I thought I would come on here and just kind of show you guys how I do my own mini twists. It's winter, it's mini twist season. So we're gonna do some mini twists. So watch me as I do them, and if you have any questions, say them down below. Guys, the hair is growing. Quick length check. Yeah, this is it. We're getting somewhere. Do one of the front strands, like you guys can see it's past my chin now. So the hair growth is working. I haven't really been doing anything to actively grow it. I've just been trying to look after it, and it's just been growing on its own by the good grace of the Lord Jesus Christ. We're just gonna keep that momentum going, and yeah, follow along with me guys as we do my hair. This is comment, you guys. Oh, that's comment. Comment. Say hi.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
Hey guys, so we are done with you guys in the mirror. This is what they look like. I'm actually so proud of my hair's growth. So like, yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. And yeah, from here I'm just gonna be like right now, and also maybe just once every like 2 days or so, just to refresh it. And just keeping it moisturized, spraying it with water. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Saying hello. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Comet. Comet. What's wrong? You okay? I actually did like this kind of part, and I really like how this part looks. I think this is gonna be the look. Amazing. They can fit under your wigs, your hats, your whatever, and it's low manipulation. So I really suggest you guys also get your own mini twists done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.